Alright guys, this is a completely unexpected video. Over the last couple days, we thought about it and we were like, the Chevelle hadn't been out of the trailer in almost a year. So, we decided we were gonna come out tonight, hopefully make a few passes on old girl. Hopefully this Joker, hopefully we can finally get it to hook up.
Probably because the last time we went out, we only made one lick with its new Alden American suspension.
That's the only, that's got one pass on this
One pass, and it hooked better than the QA1s.
Yeah. So,
shout out to Alden American.
Yeah, so what we did last time, made a couple of passes, or made one pass after we got the Alden suspension on there. Made a couple adjustments after that pass, went back up to make another pass, and it started raining. So, those adjustments still stand as they were that night, but we haven't made any passes on it, so we have no idea how it's gonna work out. So, we're about to walk up, we're gonna turn in our tech card, we're gonna come back, I'm gonna try to calm my nerves, and we're gonna go up, hopefully, we're gonna make a pass and see what she does.
We're hoping to make a 3-second pass in the 8th mile.
Cletus. Anyway, all right, we're gonna turn in this tech car. We'll get back. We'll get suited up, get up there in the staging lanes. We'll see what she do.
Well, how we feeling?
I don't know. I'm just hoping that we can get this thing off the line. So, what my current plan is, we're probably gonna go for a 60 because, again, there's like no seat time in this car. This car's not gonna be anything insanely fast, but we're gonna work on trying to get it off the line. So I'm probably planning for a 60, unless it spins off the line. Then obviously we're not even gonna push it that far. But if we can get a 60 and it's planted, then the next time we go up, we may go for a 330. And then hopefully after that, we'll go on for the beam. I'm really, really hoping that this thing will actually hook up tonight. We made those changes the last time, so it should be a lot better. Should be a lot better, but we won't really know until we get out there and get it off the line for the beam. So we'll see.
Do it for Dale.
Do it for Dale.
On camera?
Brother.
He hasn't even looked.
That's the best this car has
I
felt.
thought you were going 60 foot.
She felt good. You know what I'm saying?
So you haven't even looked at your time slip
I
yet.
haven't looked at the time slip, but
Dude, your reaction time was impeccable.
was it?
Yes.
I don't know that it was. I felt like a.
It turned, you left before it turned green just about.
I didn't red light. All right. So, in my hand, I think that I hold the fastest slip this car's ever run.
Oh,
on the first pass. We haven't even done anything yet.
Yeah.
First pass. Fastest pass we have on this car so far, and we've only made a few, is a 757. And she was spinning the whole time.
That was with a QA1 suspension too.
That was with QA1s. We got the Aldens in. I think we have those dialed.
We could probably use some adjustment
It could
because
definitely
it
use some
was
adjustment.
skating just a little bit.
Yeah, so we definitely need some work there. We definitely need some work on the timing. But in my hand, we hold a slip. That was slower than my last pass.
Bruh.
What was it? 768. That was slow as all get out.
That's not bad, though.
Hey, we got a 10-second car.
The build-up. Reveal.
All right, guys. I'm gonna apologize right now.
Cut.
85 miles an hour is all we had.
Okay.
But okay, so there's a couple of things that we need to think about.
If you wouldn't have skated,
So maybe it spun a little bit. I need to watch the video of what the car did
Yeah.
when it came off the line. So that was 768. We definitely need to speed that thing. So no big deal. We'll figure that out. I need to figure out my shift point, but we know now that we're looking at, that was a 165 60 foot, slow as all get out. We need to get that way down, like 130, 120 to be able to be around 7.0s, something like that.
Yeah.
We want this car to run 650s or 7.0s, and we want to be able to run one of those heads up classes or be able to bracket race it. So that's kind of where we're at. But 768, I will say the shift light was back on before I crossed the line. So what that tells me, we may be running out of gear.
Probably. I don't even, what gear are we running? The
513.
410? 513.
Yes. So we may need to go down to about a 456 gear. That might be part of our problem. We're gonna run a couple more passes because we need to at least get this thing to hook. That is the main priority for tonight, is getting this thing to hook so that we can get it down the track. Felt good coming off the line this time, but it did skate just a little bit, and we need to figure out why. So I'm gonna watch the video from the starting line where you guys filmed. I'm gonna see what it did, and then we'll see what we can do based on that.
All right, what did you just do, sir?
So I made a couple more adjustments to the rear coilovers. So what I did on the bottom, so the bottoms adjust how soft or hard the suspension is, and the top adjusts how quick or slow it rebounds. So what I did, I had the top on the fastest rebound, so I just put it middle ways. So now we are at about halfway, so it'll be softer, and so now it should be softer and it should be slower to rebound. So what that should do is that should give me more time with the weight of the car planted on the back tires.
Right.
So that's what you want in this. You want, from what I understand, I'm not a suspension guy, but you want the weight on the back tires so that they bite.
Right.
So hopefully that does a little bit better. When we put these on, we did it right out of the box, and then we made some small adjustments. Really didn't know what we were doing at that time, but hopefully this makes a little bit of a difference. We're gonna go make another pass here in a minute, and we'll see. Maybe it'll do a little bit better.
All right. So can we all guess a time here? What was the time the last time?
768.
Did you already look at it?
I did.
Is it lower? Let's say that.
Not much.
Okay, so what was the time on the last one?
760. Oh,
Se-
let me.
All right.
7.4.
7.4?
7.60.
I'm gonna say a 7.42.
Oh, be specific. Quit being so specific.
Oh, that like if you look at the scoreboard over there, that's what they usually run.
Better. Okay, our previous pass. 768 with a 6. Anybody
Okay.
got guesses for this one? 7.4.
7.4? And I said 7.42.
Wrong. Let me just say, we're bracket racing this. If we're bracket racing this car, she's deadly. Okay, first pass, 768 with a 6. It's got a little bit cooler, so keep that in mind. 767 with an 8.
Not bad. All right,
60 foot on the first pass. 165 with a 2.
Okay.
60 foot on the second pass, 168 with a 1, so it slowed down.
Yeah. Okay, so it picked up on the tail end.
Picked up on the tail end. I did short shift it again. I've got to get out of that habit. I'm listening to it. I need to watch for the shift light. I'm terrible about that. So, it felt good that time. It definitely started skating about middle track. I was driving the crap out of it. So it was definitely spinning, but I didn't lift.
No,
I never did lift.
You did not lift. You did not chicken foot that.
I didn't chicken foot it. So now, granted, mile an hour on it is identical.
So 85.
85.75 on the first pass, 85.70 on the second pass.
Okay, so we do need to lower the gear.
We're definitely looking at a gear issue, I think.
Yeah. So lower the gear, new tires for sure.
New tires. So I think going from a 513, I think we go down to like a 456. Or a 4.
that's too much, we'll lower it down some more.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch these videos and see what the car did. Maybe we'll make some adjustments. Maybe we won't. Like I said, it was definitely getting a little squirrely with me on the big end. Felt good off the line, right off the line.
Yeah.
Felt good. So we'll see what it does, and may make some adjustments. I think we might try to make maybe one more pass tonight.
Yeah.
And,
So also we need to take the hood off because it is leaking transmission
it's leaking
fluid.
transmission fluid, but we think we know what that is. How bad was it? Did you see it?
No, they didn't. They just like I was walking away and they yelled at me for it. Like didn't yell at me like mean. They
Like, hey, just so you know.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we'll figure that out. It may be this thing's always kind of had a little bit of an issue where it would kind of spit the dipstick. So we'll check on that, see what we got, and maybe make some adjustments. Maybe make one more pass. We'll figure it out.
Well, bud,
Less than ideal news.
it's not the news that we wanted.
Not the news we wanted. So I mentioned that they had said we were spraying some transmission fluid on the track. So several years ago, I had a similar problem, but it would only do it in reverse. We checked it in drive. I was like, you know what? Let's check it in reverse. So we cranked the car up, put it in reverse. It's pouring from the top of the transmission, which means I think the case on the glide is busted. Sucks. That's how I feel.
Catch up, Cody.
Catch up, Cody. But that's exactly what happened to me a few years ago. So I'm afraid that the case maybe cracked right there in front of the actual tail housing, which means now we're gonna have to pull the transmission to confirm that, and then
Either way, we're gonna have to pull it.
the transmission's got to come out. So we'll have to pull the transmission, get it to somebody that can swap everything into another case if we can find another case. I've got
Yeah.
one, but I don't know if we want to use that one or not. So I've got another Power Glide, one that's built with a trans brake, but it probably really needs to be gone through before it goes to the car. So what
Yeah.
we're probably going to end up doing is just pulling this thing out, hoping we can find a case and getting a case swap. It sucks. You know, we made a couple of good passes, and you know we were getting a little bit of data as far as the car goes.
Yeah,
We were
but
kinda
hey,
figuring out.
part of test and tune. It's race car life.
Race car life. Unfortunately, I was hoping to do more drag racing tonight than we're gonna get to, but you know, unfortunately, that's all part of this. Live and learn, figure it out, regroup, come back and do it again. So anyway, that's it for us tonight. We're gonna be putting this thing in the trailer and heading back to the hacienda. Hey, Dad, man, my papa built this transmission. So,
Yeah, but hey, transmissions don't last forever.
Transmissions don't
Especially
last
in a race car.
yeah, but we can take the hard parts and put it into another one, and we'll get us a good one. But a couple things we learned tonight. I short shift.
Pretty bad.
Bad about it.
Notoriously.
Notoriously. The gears are probably holding us back. We're looking at, we got a 513 gear, and the mile an hour is just not there. Both passes were 85 miles an hour. That's all we had. So I think the gears are holding us back. We definitely have some time and stuff to work on.
But we got a buddy that can help us
We
with
got a
that.
buddy that's going to do that. We're going to get this thing absolutely dialed in, but it's unfortunate. It is what it is. So I guess now I need to take a chance, or take this time to say, if you guys watched our last Ranger video, you know we crashed our Ranger. So I have a new t-shirt
It's actually live on the website right now.
live on the website right now. You can get it at www.coopshouse.com.
Link
You
in
can
the
help us-
description.
I'll put the link in the description. You can go pick up a t-shirt. You can help us fix the Ranger and get this thing back going.
Yeah, but
Like and subscribe so we can continue to do this content.
thank you, Garrett from Misfit Motos.
Is that Garrett from Misfit Motos?
Garrett from Misfit Motos.
Alright, guys.
And catch up, Cody.
Guys, I appreciate you coming along with us for this journey. We had a good time tonight. But guys, that is unfortunately going to be the end of the drag races for us tonight. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you check out that one right there, because YouTube thinks it'll be the best thing for you to watch next. And hit that subscribe button and go get a t-shirt. We appreciate you. Catch you on the next one. Deuces.